Hold on, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Shark Ion robot so you don't damage
robot
it.
For a client. I'm actually just cleaning it up so they can pick it up. You see this? This is Goo Gone. This is only used to remove adhesives such as stickers or anything, or grease, or any like slime that a kid might put on the floor that it'll run over. For everything else, you want 91% isopropyl alcohol. That means everything. Biggest thing is to turn your robot to the off position when cleaning it, and or remove the battery. One bolt here, sometimes two. Take the cover, pull the battery, good to go. So the first part you're going to do, you're going to open up this panel. We're going to pull out the brush. We're going to pop the cap off. That will expose the bearing where hair gets wrapped up, and that's why these burn out, is because the bearing gets clogged up. Take off all the hair that's on it. Make sure you clean both sides really well so that the motor and stuff don't get jammed up. Next, you're going to take a painter's brush and you're going to clean off this bin. But there's a cool trick to this. It comes out with the bin because it's part of the bin. So just go ahead and clean that up. Next, we're going to open it up. Obviously, you've already dumped it. You're going to clean this filter right here with air. This filter is a HEPA filter that you can take out and blow out as well. So after that's all said and done, you're going to use an air compressor or a can of compressed air to blow out this wheel, and this wheel right here. Now this wheel can pop out, so you have easier access to clean anything that might have got under it. And with that being said, guys, now all you do is reassemble your robot vacuum cleaner. This is going to be pretty similar for almost every one except for the self-empties, because obviously they have a base station that they dock to, and that base station needs to be cleaned as well. Check your wheels to make sure that they spin freely and there's no hang-ups. If there is, there might be obstruction. So thanks for watching, guys.